Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is brought to you by Ririhair. They sent me this Yaki bob, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys and then we will get into the review. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since you saw the unboxing of this wig from Ririhair, I have washed it and I lightly flat ironed it on one side. I was going to do the rest on camera for you guys, but so this is their Yaki 14-inch wig, and you probably won't be able to tell on camera. I think it's showing up a little bit. So this color is like a chocolate brown kind of number 4, and I actually really like that. I like that I didn't have to bleach the knots on this wig. They already came pre-bleached. I did tweeze the hairline just a little bit because it was thick, and I'll show you what that looks like because I recorded the hairline before I tweezed it. I do like that they already have an elastic band in there. It has 3 combs at the top, but you guys already saw the unboxing, a comb in the back. It did have lace back there, but I cut it out. So far, I do think this wig is going to be really nice. The only thing is, even though I really like that they already have elastic inside the cap, you gotta be careful because it's hooks on there, and those hooks can get caught in your edges, and I do not want to, you know, harm my edges. Because right now they're pretty healthy, so I don't want to do anything to disturb those. This cap feels kind of small on my head, and I'm pretty sure I probably ordered a medium. Try to figure out what side this is on. And I'm wearing it as a left side part. Like, I have been a right side part girl for years, but lately I've been wearing more of my wigs as a left side part. So I'm trying to be careful and not get that hook in my natural hair. If it does disturb me, I'm probably going to take that out and put my own elastic in there because I do not want to disturb my natural edges. So already, like, this hair feels really good. Beautiful, natural, Yaki texture, and it just feels really good. A really nice length as well. This fits snug, so the lace is laying really flat on my scalp. So I'm gonna pin my hair out the way, cut the lace, and then I'll probably finish flat ironing this wig on camera for you guys. Like, really, I don't even have to glue this down. It's so fitted, and then on this side that's lifted, it's not going to be seen. So I might just do a little something over here, and that's about it, and just flat iron it. This is a very easy wig. So thinking about is just this side. I might just spray a little bit of the Gatsby Glue Free Spray, just blow dry the lace down, and just do that side, and that's it. This is the Edge Booster Hair Pomade Stick, and it's by Style Factor, and I have it in the pineapple scent as well. I usually use my what is it, Flyaway Tamer, but I picked this up, so. Alright guys, so I have finished flat ironing this wig and getting the hairline together and adhering it down and everything. So I'm going to make this quick because my camera is dying. But overall, this wig is really nice. It's a really nice everyday wig. This texture is really nice. Now, even though this is human hair, I will say, you know how with synthetic Yaki wigs, they have those faint crinkles in it? This one does have those faint crinkles. But because it's human hair, you can just flat iron those crinkles out. You guys saw me, I did do like a 360 like in the tutorial part of this video. So this wig, it's a really good density for a bob human hair wig, because sometimes human hair bob wigs can be like, you know, a little lanky and thin or skimping in density, but this one has a really nice thicker density, but it's not too thick to where you wouldn't want to wear it in the warmer months. Okay, I did have to tweeze the hairline a little bit, but I mean like very minimal amount of tweezing. If you're somebody that doesn't really want to do anything, you probably don't even have to do that, but I felt like I did. The knots came pre-bleached than they actually were, because some companies will say that their knots are actually bleached and they're not. And I'm probably gonna start doing this with you guys and saying this. How does the lace look off camera in natural light? In natural light, this wig, this lace looks really good. It looks good in like from the direct sunlight of a window and in low lighting, because sometimes in low light, because sometimes in front of a window the wig looks fine, but then when I get in low lighting I can see like the lace is not blending well with my skin and everything. Something's a little bit off, but not with this one. This one looks good in studio light as well as in natural light and in low lighting. So across the board, the lace is really good. Shedding, I don't think I got any shedding with this wig. No tangling yet. My hands glide right through it. And that's about it. I didn't really do baby hairs, maybe a little bit, but that's not even considered baby hairs. Just a little something up front. But I think this wig is very pretty. And if you see any halo, it's not on the lace, it's actually on my skin, because I did spray this Gatsby Glue Free Spray on my skin a couple times than I have on makeup. It's better to apply your human hair wigs or just wigs in general if you're going to be using a adhesive without makeup. It's easier to apply when you don't have on makeup, but I already had a full face on because I recorded some other videos. So if you see anything on my forehead, that's from the makeup and the spray mixing, so it's not the lace. Yeah, the only issue I have is with the elastic band on the inside. It can get caught on your natural hair. It's very convenient that they already have the elastic band, so I feel like this is a really good beginner friendly wig. So if you're looking for another brand, a human hair company that specializes in human hair wigs that are very beginner friendly and easy to apply, check out Ririhair. This is my first time working with this company and it's been a positive experience, so check them out if you are interested in a nice, cute, everyday wig. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase it down below. If I have any coupon codes or anything, I'll list those down below as well. I want to thank Ririhair for sending me this wig, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel and watching. Make sure you share this video with somebody you think would like this kind of style, and leave me a comment down below and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.